Guangdong, Europe, Mango New Energy Technology Company Limited was established in 2015. It is an integrating research and development, production, sales, and installation services of new energy technology. It is a air energy industry to the European standard for the production of air energy heat pump manufacturers, with strong technical research and development strength. The enterprise has won the National High Technology Enterprise, Coal to Electricity Bidding Enterprises, European Commission CE certification, CCC certification, and International ISO 9001, ISO 14001 quality standard. Mango Energy manufactures several different types of heat pumps, including DC inverter heat pump with R32 refrigerant, minus sub-zero 30-degree EVI low-temperature heat pump, air-to-water heat pump, swimming pool heat pump, water-to-water or ground source heat pump, and household heat pumps. Mango Energy products are exported to more than 120 countries and regions and are highly appreciated and recognized by many customers, at home and abroad. Mango products with high COP and low noise. COP up to 5.6. All products are good to use for home, commercial, agricultural, industrial, school, and hospital, for heating in winter and cooling in summer with hot water. Mango's purpose is looking dealer and close partners. Hope to cooperation with you to do big the market. Welcome to visit us.
Welcome to Mango